Soon after releasing the song,
bro, if you don't get the fuck, bro, nobody could play with me like that. I'd be like, yo, go on YouTube, you know, it's your boy Click, and you tune into Click React. Today we're gonna be looking at times when fans went too far, whether it's like meeting their celebrity crush or just a fan of somebody in general doing too much in person. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about these moments. We're just gonna get right into it. I'll see you guys later.
He's making a lot of money from their fame. Some fans feel entitled to them, thinking they're the reason for their success.
They do.
Sometimes people forget they're humans too.
They
when Harry
do.
Styles was eating at a pizza restaurant, a couple of fans wouldn't stop screaming. So when Harry came out and they tried to make him feel bad, he was quick to make a comeback.
She came all the way from Arizona just to see you tonight.
Alright.
You came from England, but you have money.
A not-so-known fact is that Tom
This lady said you came from England, but you have money. Okay? Did I tell you not to have money?
Holland has a dog named Tessa. During a press conference, a fan mentioned the name Tessa, and co-star Sebastian Stan asked the fan who Tessa was. And the fan responded in an extremely rude manner.
I will, thank you so much.
Yes.
Who's Tessa?
His
My-
dog. Oh my gosh, educate yourself.
Bruh.
Oh my God, you just shot the winter soldier.
After Justin Bieber's
Hey,
security
what?
managed to outsmart paparazzi and fans by barely getting noticed, a lot of fans were a little disappointed, but for some it was more than enough.
Yo, I can't imagine that. Look how they're acting. Jesus
A
Christ.
completely unexpected moment for singer Katy Perry happened when she took a fan's phone to record a video, and she noticed a group text with someone saying that she can't sing live.
Huh?
I heard you can't sing live at all. All right, let's send him a message.
That is so funny. That is actually
This
so
fan
funny.
switched up on her idol very quickly, after he didn't give them the time of day to say hi and take pictures.
Thank you very much. I come here just for you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I hate you.
Chris Brown showed his good
I
swerve.
mean, why do you guys didn't message each other and agree to meet somewhere? That person was just supposed to show up. Like, I don't know why people would get mad that person didn't stop and talk to them.
Skills when
Like,
a fan jumped on
they
stage
got
and
shit to
hugged him.
do. Oh shit. Man kept performing, I'm
In
dead.
South Korea, a crazy, scary moment for Michael Jackson.
Bro, honestly, Michael Jackson, if you watch all like his other performances from back in the day, the man's fans were wild. He had people like literally passing out just from seeing him.
Jackson happened when a fan managed to get into the elevating prop on stage with him while he was performing. And on
What?
an interview after, he said he was terrified the fan was going to fall from the elevator.
And that's why he
so had to
hugged the
hold all
fan.
his weight.
That is wild. That is wild as fuck. Yeah, Michael is a performer though, cause that nigga said he said he ain't gonna stop. This show ain't stopping for nobody.
A lot of celebrities are quick to dismiss their fans if they're being rude, but Harry Styles showed to have patience levels unknown to humans.
He
when a
definitely
fan was
does.
complaining about his face when taking a picture. Soon after releasing the song,
Bro, if you don't get the fuck, bro, nobody could play with me like that. I'd be like, yo, get out of my face.
Adam Levine was thrown powdered sugar at him by a crazy fan on his way to Jimmy Kimmel. Luckily, police were able to grab him and he was sentenced to
Oh
3 years
my
probation,
God.
52 counseling sessions, 20 days of highway cleanup.
You know what's fucked about that? You don't even know what it is. Flour, sugar, you don't know what the fuck that shit is. It could be poison. Holy
Stay
fuck.
500 yards away from Adam Levine. When Shawn Mendes was
Such
at the
a
airport,
weird youth.
he was nervous since he was close to missing his flight. And to make things worse, fans wouldn't
Fans
let
are
him go
holding
to
him
the
up.
gate.
Love you.
No.
You guys aren't listening. I'm not gonna be able to get home.
Streaming live and walking around in public sounds like a fun concept for entertainment, but it
Okay.
also means that creepy fans can find precisely where
Exactly
you are
where
at
you
any time.
at. Yep.
When a man was walking alone at night streaming, he noticed someone following him.
Yo, what the fuck?
Luckily, it was just a fan who was a little weird and wanted to meet him.
A little weird, eh?
You look really scary. Patrick, by the way. I'm still scared, dude.
Yeah, and I'm really sweaty. This is Dennis.
That was scary as hell, man. Wait,
When a
Nigga,
fan tried to
what?
jump on stage, it
They
was
said
too
this is
much of a
Dennis.
path to get to Justin Bieber before security, and you can see the disappointment
Oh
in Justin
my
Bieber's face.
god.
After
Yeah.
the fan lost her voice at the Justin Bieber concert, iHeartRadio decided to invite her and a few other lucky fans to meet Justin Bieber. And well, the fan tried to go for a kiss.
You trying to kiss me?
Yeah.
You do the kissing.
A fan had plans to jump on
I
stage
mean, at least
to
he was
grab
nice
Britney
about that.
Spears,
I would not
but
let
he
that
wasn't
random
gonna
ass
get
girl
past
kiss my
this
face.
guy.
Man got into his football tackling
After
formation.
Halsey had a long day of press, she checked her fans' Instagram messages just to see a lot of people being rude to her for not going out to the hotel lobby to say hello to them. And that's when she went outside and asked them to have some empathy.
But I'm getting a lot of really rude messages right now from people saying that I'm f***ed up and I swerved you and I'm being rude and I'm being mean. Like, not for nothing, but I've been in press since 8 o'clock in the morning. I have a whole day of interviews to do. I'm still doing them. I would never just walk by you and not meet you. So to abuse me like that online is kind of f***ed up.
After replacing Kanye
She better
West
than
as
me.
the headliner for a festival in Miami,
Was that Kid Cudi?
was set to perform in front of thousands of upset Kanye fans. And some fans
Yeah,
took
that
things
shit
too
was
far
funny.
by throwing water packets at him, causing him to leave.
I mean, he
When
said,
a fan went a little
he said
overboard
what he
and
said.
decided to turn her room into basically a Justin Bieber shrine.
Yo,
it
the-
went so
the
viral,
Beliebers were
people decided
wild.
To make her dream come true.
oh, I thought that was Ellen just now. I thought Justin was Ellen, yo.
Even though what this fan did was wrong, he took a massive chance by jumping on the pitch for a chance to meet his idol Messi. And well, Messi saw that it took courage and signed his shirt.
I don't think that's what it is. He just thought he was a kid. So that's what. That's what allowed him to do that.
During a press conference at Comic-Con, Marvel fans became very comfortable asking the host for exceptions, and the actors for favors.
Wait, can I ask the second part of that question?
He didn't get to answer the first part of the question.
I'm wearing heels. I've been standing all day. Come on. Please. That you see in yourself. For all of you. By the way, Tom, can you please tell my friend Lexi you love her? I love you.
When a fan got a little too
Yeah, it's a
picky
hat
about
down
how he
for me
wanted the
too.
Picture taken, Lana Del Rey just walked away.
Like, yeah, bro. Stupid ass.
At a fan event, a super K-pop fan thought that her idol frowned at her, so she threw all her stuff on the table.
I just throw it right back.
And well, later it was explained that the K-pop idol just had something on his eye. Lil Baby is a rapper with a net worth of approximately $10 million. So when a fan was trying to give him a $20 bill, he was offended.
Oh.
Even though it's difficult to think this is a fan, he did pay money to see the concert, but for some reason he wasn't happy with MGK and kept flipping his middle finger at him. Bad Bunny is the most
Some of
streamed
that shit
artist
is
on
so funny,
Spotify,
bro.
so
Yo,
that
Bad
comes with a
Bunny's
lot of super
artists,
fans.
I mean,
When a girl
concerts
hopped
are
on stage
wild.
to dance with Bad Bunny, surprisingly he went along with it until security took her out.
Yeah, this thing is. Look at the stadium.
In probably one
Shit
of the craziest
crazy.
fan interactions, a fan lightly slapped her K-pop idol, and her reason for doing it was so he can have something to remember her by.
Good reason, I guess.
When a lot of people were throwing gifts at Rihanna on stage, she had to stop the show to explain that she loves the gifts, but doesn't want to get knocked out.
Don't throw my up here. I'm leaving. I love your gifts. Just make sure they don't, knock one of my people out.
Even though he's hated by many, Elon Musk does have a lot of fans who
Understatement.
do anything to meet him. These group of fans waited for hours at Tesla's Gigafactory in Berlin with a cutout of him.
Berlin. Oh.
I've never done this before. This is the first time. Really? Yeah. I've never signed a life-size version of me. Why we're in this particular location?
That is fucking hilarious.
Since a lot of people that ask for autographs to celebrities are doing it to resell them, we can't 100% know if this was a fan. But in New York, Ryan Gosling had to check an aggressive fan that was pushing people to get an autograph. Almost a decade ago, Beyonce was doing a performance in Brazil in a venue that had the entirety of the stage surrounded by fans, with basically no distance in between. And that's when a
Oh
super fan
hell!
snatched
Whoa,
her.
whoa, whoa,
Luckily,
whoa,
the
whoa!
security acted quickly.
When he said snatch, he was not joking.